Hello guys, this is Indian Medico and in this video we are going to see about Ameloblastoma. This is a concise presentation for medical students. Ameloblastoma is also known as yeast disease or multilocular cystic disease of the jaw. Amelo stands for the enamel. Blasto stands for the germ cells forming the enamel. Oma means tumor. So, ameloblastoma literally means tumor of the germ cells forming enamel. It is a rare tumor of odontogenic epithelium. Odonto means relating to tooth. It arises from the ameloblast or outside portion of teeth during development. To be clear, ameloblastoma arises from dental epithelium. It can either be enamel or dental lamina. It is thought to be a variant of basal cell carcinoma. It is a locally malignant tumor. Remember, it is curable. Now let us see about the clinical features of ameloblastoma. There will be a swelling in jaw. The swelling will usually be in the mandible near its angle. The swelling is gradually progressive. It can progress to a large size extending to vertical ramus. It is painless. It has a smooth surface and it is hard in consistency. There will be outer table expansion of the mandible. This picture shows a patient with ameloblastoma. Now, what are the differential diagnosis of ameloblastoma? Ameloblastoma should be differentiated from osteoclastoma of mandible. Osteoclastoma is tumor of the bone. It should be differentiated from dentigerous cyst. A dentigerous cyst is a cyst containing a tooth. It should be differentiated from dental abscess and giant cell reparative granuloma or Jaffe's tumor. It is a swelling which occurs due to hemorrhage within bone marrow. Now, what are the investigations that you will do for a case of ameloblastoma? Orthopantomogram should be done. An orthopantomogram is a panoramic scanning dental X-ray of upper and lower jaw. It shows multiloculated lesion depicting a honeycomb. It is called as honeycomb appearance. Biopsy can be taken and CT scan can be done to diagnose ameloblastoma. This picture shows the orthopantomogram of a patient with ameloblastoma. Note the multiloculated lesion. This is called as honeycomb appearance. How do you treat a case of ameloblastoma? Surgically, you can do segmental resection of mandible. You can also do hemimandibulectomy, which means you resect half of the mandible and reconstruction of mandible should be done. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and tell your friends about this channel. Thank you.